Hello, this is Luke Wright with Southpaw Therapeutics, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to loosen up some stiff, tight, painful upper back and shoulders. Also, if you're feeling any tension or tightness in the rib cage as well, this is a great trick to do for that. That can sometimes feel like difficulty breathing, like the rib cage doesn't want to fully expand. So what you're going to do is take a yoga block. If you're a masochist like me, you can use a wooden block or a cork block, but foam blocks will work just the same. You're going to place the block on its medium height, and then you're going to lay over the top of that on your side. And the area that we're trying to hit here are the lats, latissimus dorsi, to be exact. These are the bat wings. These are the muscles on the sides. Whenever you see like a bodybuilder, the muscles that create that V shape in their chest, that's the lats. Now, once you lay on top of these, you're going to slowly rotate the chest open, taking your time. And you might feel yourself rolling over something. You might get to some intense areas, like right there. Oh my God. And when you get to those intense areas, just hang out there for a second. Take your time. I find that allowing my body to kind of go limp on top of this gives you a little bit more pressure in the area. Kind of allows for the area to soften a bit more. And then you'll slowly roll back. And you can repeat this 2 to 3 times, back and forth. Hanging out as long as you'd like. And from here, we're going to move this block just a little bit higher up, really tucking it into the armpit. And we're actually going to set the outside edge of your shoulder blade on top of the block. And same thing, slowly roll back. This is a great area to work on if you're particularly feeling stiffness, tightness, or pain in the shoulders. Whew. A good rule of thumb, the longer you sit on these intense areas, the less intense they should feel. The longer you sit there. If it feels like it's gaining intensity the longer you're there, come off of it. Ease up the pressure a bit. Take a slightly different approach. And a lot of this is simply exploration. Figuring out how your body, your specific body, works. And there you have it. If you have any questions at all, concerns, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will gladly read through those and answer whatever I can. Thank you so much.